Hi there, this video is a short tutorial to show you how to use the Google Drive sync folder to back up all of your critical files. So if you're here at your desktop, what you want to do is go ahead and first launch the Google Drive application. You can do this by clicking on Finder, and once you've clicked on Finder, navigate to Applications and look for an application called Google Drive. Once you found it, go ahead and double click on it, and depending on if you've launched this application in the past or not before, it may prompt you to log in. If you are prompted to log in, just go ahead and log in with your Natomas Charter School email address. Once you've logged in, what will actually happen is a new folder will be created for you, and it's called Google Drive. So right here, just below Downloads, I have a new folder called Google Drive. And what's happening in the background is any files that I have in Google Drive, the website, are automatically being synced to this folder, and any files that I add to this folder will automatically be synced up to the cloud, up to Google Drive, and available for download on another computer. And this is going to be really important as you're transferring files from maybe an old computer to a new computer, or from a computer that it was being re-imaged or having like a hard drive issue. So what I do is, let's say I have some files that are not in Google Drive that I want to move there. So maybe I have some stuff here in Documents. I have this really important folder and this really important file. Getting them to Google Drive is very simple. All I'm going to do is open a new Finder window. So I have two Finder windows kind of layered over each other. And I'm going to click on Google Drive, and this really important folder that I want moved to Google Drive, all I'm going to do is grab it and drag it and drop it. And same thing with this other file that says really important file. All I'm going to do is drag it and drop it. And now what's happening is all of the files that I've added there, those two in particular, are being added to my Google Drive cloud library of files and will be available to download and install on my new computer or my newly re-imaged computer. It's really that simple. One thing I should add is once you have taken things maybe from Documents or Desktop and you move them here, you can actually just work from the Google Drive folder, which is what I would recommend that you do, because then you never have to remember to drag things to Google Drive. So let's say I'm over here on Microsoft Word and I need to create a new Word document. Here's my Word document. To save it to Google Drive and have it automatically back up, all I have to do is click File, Save As, and instead of Documents here, just make sure that I choose Google Drive as the folder. And if there's like a subfolder I want to put it in, I just have to open this little disclosure triangle, and now I can see in Google Drive and find the specific folder maybe that I want to add it to, name the document, whatever I want to name it, and click Save. And now that file is automatically being saved to Google Drive. It's very, very simple. One final caveat that I will add, the very first time you set up Google Drive, it may take a while for your files to sync over. So it's not something you want to do at the last minute. You may want to do it a couple days before you're going to turn in your computer or before you know a new computer is arriving. So in my case, I actually turned this on about 10 minutes ago, and you can see I still have, I only have 491 of 8,000 files that have to still be synced. So it takes a little bit of time. It might take overnight or something like that. If you have any questions, please let me know.